अमरिंदर कभी भी नहीं खुश रहा। मैं अपने स्टेट को वापस चाहता था। एंड में आके जस्ट बिफोर द इलेक्शंस आप लोगों को बदल दो, किसी को डाल दो, बैड ब्लड हो जाती है। एंड दैट बैड ब्लड इज ऑल्सो इफेक्टिंग एंड द राइट पीपल आर नॉट इन द राइट जॉब्स। इट्स ओवर एज फार एज द कांग्रेस इज कंसर्न्ड, इट्स ओवर। We will certainly talk to the BJP about seat adjustments, but I put a little block on that in the sense that I've said that before we can do anything with the BJP, we must first, the BJP must, the government must end this farmer agitation.
कांग्रेस बहुत बड़ी पार्टी है और अमरिंदर सिंह जैसे कई हमारे पास लीडर हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े लीडर हमारे पास हैं। तो मेरे ख्याल कि मेरी एज उनसे कम है और कांग्रेस में मेरी एज उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा है।
कांग्रेस को कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा, बल्कि इससे जो है जो हमारे विरोध में ताकतें हैं उनके वोट बटेंगे।
देखो भाई, हर आदमी को पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनाने का, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बना करके चुनाव के मैदान में उतरने का, चुनाव के मैदान में किसके साथ जाना है किसके साथ नहीं जाना, ये उनके संवैधानिक अधिकार हैं। इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
हमारा तो पहले सबसे एजेंडा ये है कि पहले किसानों का मसला हल होना चाहिए।
मोदी जी ने अपने प्यारे, अपने चहेते कैप्टन अमरिंदर साहब को मैदान में उतारा कि आप एक चौथी पार्टी बनाओ और उस पार्टी को भी मैदान में उतारो आम आदमी पार्टी को रोकने के लिए।
Everyone, good evening. You're watching News Epicenter with me, Maria Shakil. The Punjab power plays are in full swing in the battleground state, with former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh laying down his plans to end the Congress party's innings in the northern bastion, something he helped create through his long career. Captain Amrinder Singh said he will launch his own political party and is open to an alliance with the BJP and factions of the Akali Dal. In an exclusive conversation with CNN News 18, he reveals it was Sonia Gandhi who asked him to quit the top post, adding that he told the Gandhis that Navjot Singh Sidhu is an unstable character and a threat at the helm of Punjab Congress. We saw the recent power tussle between Charanjit Singh Channi and Sidhu and how the Congress struggled to control the damage after Sidhu's resignation, eventually pacifying the firebrand leader. Amrinder Singh has said that his ties with the Congress have been severed. He will not sit idly ahead of the elections. But the big move from the former Punjab Chief Minister is his pitch for an alliance with the BJP. While the Congress has accused him of betraying the people of Punjab, he says the only way a deal can be sealed is if the centre ends the Kisan agitation by finding a solution and assures all farmers that MSP will not be diluted or scrapped. The big question which emerges is, will Captain Amrinder Singh broker a peace between the two sides? The veteran's political maneuvering has surely upset the dynamics in the Congress camp, where factionalism continues. Not only does the captain's political push disrupt the party's hold on the crucial Jat Sikhs and farmers' vote bank, it gives his loyalists in the Congress fold an option to exit the party if ticket distributions cause friction in the ranks. Captain Amrinder Singh is one of the tallest leaders of the Congress who has defended the Punjab bastion even during the Lok Sabha elections against the Modi wave. Losing his experience and clout as a mass leader is surely a jolt to the grand old party. But who will it truly help? Can a union with the BJP expand the saffron footprint in the state if a deal on the farm laws is worked out? Or will the disenchanted Congress voters eye the Akalis and the Aam Aadmi Party for a sense of stability in the state? Is Captain Amrinder Singh, or is his factor the prime disruptor in Punjab 2022? That is the big question I'm asking on News Epicenter this evening. Joining me on the show, Dr. Sunny Ahluwalia is the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. We have Zafar Islam from the BJP, Charan Singh Sapra, spokesperson of the Congress, Dushyant Nagar, convener Kisan Sangharsh Samiti. We also have Charanjit Singh Brar. He is the political secretary of Sukhbir Singh Badal and the spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Zafar, I'm going to come to you first. Captain has in detail spoken about his future course of action and that he will be keen on working out some kind of seat-sharing formula with the BJP. The question is Captain your entry point into a state where you have not managed to get any kind of toehold in years?
I don't know what is Captain's plan, what exactly will pan out going forward, but one thing is very clear that he is a very tall leader of Punjab. The Congress always used to tom-tom about him, that he is the strongest leader, the tallest leader of the state. Now, since he is out of Congress, then people are, and the Congress leaders are talking ill about him. Having said that, see, he is a mass leader. He has been Chief Minister twice. His presence is something which makes comfortable to the people of Punjab. He understands the dynamics, he understands the ground realities, and I'm sure that if he does finally decide to have some kind of alliance with us,
okay,
I think it will be a win-win situation for him as well as for us.
Okay, so you are saying that this is a win-win situation, but the
it's all-
caveat here, but the caveat here or the if here.
But let me just last sentence that all these are the dynamics which I perceive as of today. But of course, the final call is always rests with the leadership of our party, and of course, it rests with the captain as well.
Yes. So the if here is Captain saying that there has to be a solution worked out on the farm laws. Dushyant Nagar, Captain Amrinder Singh stood with the protesting farmers and continues to stand with them. And उन्होंने आप लोगों के साथ आवाज मिलाते हुए ये बोला कि ये रिपील होना चाहिए लॉज. अब उनका कहना है कि वो बीजेपी के साथ साठगांठ करने में का इंतजार करेंगे या फिर अगर कुछ सोल्यूशन वर्कआउट हो जाएगा. क्या ये सोल्यूशन हो सकता है? क्या आपको कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह पे वो विश्वास है कि वो शायद बीजेपी के साथ आपकी कोई डील करा लें?
नहीं, देखिए जी, हमको कैप्टन पे कोई भरोसा नहीं है. जो हमारा साथ दिया था पूर्व में, वो पंजाब कांग्रेस ने और पंजाब सरकार ने दिया था. जिस सरकार के मुखिया कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह थे, लेकिन उन्होंने अब गठबंधन जाके भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ कर दिया है, जिन्होंने ये 3 खतरनाक और किसान विरोधी कानून बनाने का काम किया है. वो सत्ता के लालच में गए हैं, उनका अपना कुर्सी का खेल है, उससे हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. हमें हमारे इश्यूज को सेटल करने से मतलब है.
तो आप ये डिस्टिंक्शन कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस में और कैप्टन में, क्योंकि अब कैप्टन उस सरकार के मुखिया नहीं है, तो इसलिए अब आपका उन पर भरोसा नहीं है.
नहीं है. देखिए, जो किसान यात्रा शुरू की थी, वो ट्रैक्टर यात्रा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष इनके पंजाब कांग्रेस के जाखड़ साहब थे, अमरिंदर सिंह थे, राहुल गांधी साहब थे. जो हमारी यात्रा से पहले शुरू हुई थी, 2 अक्टूबर को शुरू हुई थी पिछले साल. हमारे लिए वो समर्थन था, हमारे लिए वो एक राजनीतिक दल के द्वारा समर्थन की शुरुआत थी.
Okay, Zafar, then in that case, if it is about kursi ka khel, as the Kisan representative here is talking about it, then if anything, it will not be a win-win situation, because if the farmer groups are not ready to engage with your government, they're not even ready to engage with the captain now. He is now someone who is a persona non grata for them.
Well, Maria, election is still 5 months or 4 or 5 months away from us. I'm sure that everything will change going forward. The situation and the dynamics will change as we go closer to the election. I can't predict at this point of time that how it will pan out, but all I can say at this point of time that he is the tallest leader of Punjab, And definitely he brings a lot of strength to the table.
Undoubtedly,
And
because
if-
even at the peak of the Modi wave in 2014, he managed to defeat one of the tallest leaders of the BJP then from in the Lok Sabha. So there is no denying that he managed to really stand in front and protect Punjab from the Modi wave. You know, that ebbed clearly in the state of Punjab. Charan Singh Sapra, at 79, Captain is saying that he will be embarking on a journey of his own. Don't you think it will hurt the Congress party?
See, I feel the issues on which Captain Amarinder Singh is speaking, if he's saying that he's having a solution for this farmers' agitation, then the question comes why he did not give this solution earlier when he was the chief minister. Like the farmers' leader just now said, the farmer leaders also, they feel that this is a political opportunism of Captain Amarinder Singh which is coming ahead, and in the due process, Bharatiya Janata Party will only use Captain Amarinder Singh as a launchpad for Pakistan, for Punjab. Now let me also put this clear that the elections will show whether Captain Amarinder Singh has given a cover fire to Bharatiya Janata Party or whether Bharatiya Janata Party has acted as a cheerleader for Captain Amarinder Singh.
All that
Whereas
is
the
subject
Captain
to,
Amarinder Singh,
I
whatever
agree with
issues
you.
he's taking
He is
now, the
talking
farmer
about
leaders
ifs
are
and
not
buts.
ready to accept him.
No, but Charan Singh Sapra, don't you think your leaders should be mindful? There is a problem in the way they are attacking him. You are accusing him of betraying the Congress party. You are saying that he had some previous tie-up or some deal with the BJP, and that is the reason why he is talking about leaving the Congress. Why don't you sack him instead? Ask him, if he has not quit till now, then sack him out of the Congress party. What is stopping you from doing that?
See, I feel the way things are moving, he has already said that he's forming a new party and he's bent upon it. Let him do. The democratic system allows him to do that. As far as Congress party is concerned, today we feel that the 99% MLAs of Punjab who had reported that Captain Amarinder Singh is, hand in gloves with the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as with Shromani Akali Dal. Now it is coming out true. It is being exposed that he was hand in gloves with Bharatiya Janata Party.
BJP and Shiromani Akali Dal as well.
As the time goes, it will also get exposed that he was also hand in gloves with the Akali Dal.
Okay, Charanjit Singh,
in the days to come, he will get completely exposed, and that's why people are not going to go with
What exactly has been
Singh.
worked out between the BJP, the Akalis and Captain? Okay, we have lost that line with Mr. Brar. I'll ask the producer to connect. In the meanwhile, Dr. Ahluwalia, all is not well in the Congress party. It's now splintered group. There is Congress versus Congress that will be playing out. Who tends to gain?
See, one thing is very clear, that Captain wants to make his own party now, right? So the number one is this. I want to ask the Congress spokesperson and the BJP spokesperson, few months back, they used to say that Captain, now the BJP spokesperson is saying Captain is a very big leader, he's a mass leader. Now he's saying like this. Few months back, he used to say that who is Rusa Alam. Now what the Congress is asking is, now they are asking that who is Rusa Alam. First, BJP used to ask the same questions. There is no doubt that Congress has a split, and Aam Aadmi Party, now people know that people wants to vote for Aam Aadmi Party. And it is very clear, Maria, I want to tell you two more things I want to add to is, BJP was helping Congress before also. BJP used to help Captain. That was the reason that a Pakistani journalist was staying inside the house of a chief minister. Can you believe this? And now the same Captain is saying that we have a security threats. We have a problem.
But Dr. Ahluwalia, you have a big challenge at hand as well. You have not been able to solve your leadership question. At least that has been settled by the Congress party. It is Charanjit Singh Channi under whose leadership they are going in for these elections. What about you? Who's your face?
19th, when they declared the chief minister, there were 4 chief minister candidates they have declared. We already have a chief minister. Now the main thing is that Arvind
Who's your
Kejriwal.
chief minister?
No, he is going to announce. How can I announce? our CM from the Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, is going to announce this question.
So we'll have to wait. So you will be going ahead with some announcement, but we'll have to wait. Okay, Charanjit Singh Brar, the charge against you is that there is some kind of deal that has been worked out behind the scenes. Of course, we don't know about it. But Mr. Brar, what exactly is happening between BJP and the Akalis? Because Akalis walked out of this alliance. One of your oldest allies were the BJP only because of the question of arm laws. Here is Captain talking about some breakaway factions of the Akalis and also Akalis and the BJP. Something is being worked out. What exactly is this khichdi?
देखिए ऐसा है कि सबसे पहले तो मैं माफी चाहूंगा, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा।
जी बोलिए।
ध्यान रखना, श्रोते भी मेरा ख्याल है शायद मेरी इस बात से सहमत होंगे। हमारे पंजाब में एक बड़ी कहावत है कि जब भी कुछ वापरने वाला होता है तो ये धीरे धीरे पता चलता है। और एक बात हमारे पंजाब में और बड़ी कहावत है कि छोटे बच्चे को किसी माँ ने पूछा कि बड़ा होके बेटा क्या बनेगा, तो जो आईपीएस या आईएएस तो बड़ी बात है, मगर वो बोलता है मैं थानेदार बनूंगा। तो वो बोलने लगा कि थानेदार बन के क्या करोगे, तो वो बोलता माँ को बोलता कि पहले आपको पीटूंगा, कहते मेरे को पीटती रहती है। तो यही बात हमारे साथ बीजेपी ने की। जब 2 MP थे बीजेपी के, तब से हम इनके अलाई हैं, तब से हम इनके साथ हैं। अब बड़े हो गए तो सबसे पहले हमें पीटने लगे। अब जब हम पार्टनरशिप में मिनिस्टर भी थे, जब हम इनके अलायंस में भी थे, तो सीधा फोन करके कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को बीजेपी बोलती थी ये करो ये करो ये करो, और वो हम हर रोज बोलते थे।
Is there a sense of regret? No, but you are sounding as if you are regretting the fact that you walked out of alliance with the BJP. आपको अफसोस है इस बात का?
देखिए ऐसा है कि
आपको रिश्ते कायम रखने चाहिए।
जानवर भी रखा हो ना, अगर उनसे भी कुछ टूटे तो होता है, मगर जो इन्होंने हमारे पीठ पे चुरा घोंपा है, उसका कारण है कि ये तीनों बिल जो हम खेती प्रधान सूबा है और सबसे बड़े पुराने अलायंस पार्टनर है, और हमारे साथ ही सलाह मशवरा नहीं किया। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को तो स्पेशल इसमें मेंबर भी बनाया गया, 1.5 साल पहले मीटिंगें भी हुई, उनमें से उनकी सहमति भी ली, ये सारा कुछ रिकॉर्ड पे है। तो हमें तो जब ऑर्डिनेंस आया तो तब पता चला, तो हम जब हमने विरोध किया तो बोलने लगे जब
No, but okay, let's make this distinction between captain and the former chief minister. Okay, one moment. Mr. Brar, you may be having problems with Captain Amrinder Singh, who was the chief minister then. But now if he floats his own party and allies with your former ally, the BJP, then will the Akalis be changing their position?
मेरी एक बात है, जो आदमी बनी बनाई सरकार नहीं चला पाया, वो पार्टी कैसे बना लेगा? मेरा ख्याल है ये हर रोज बयानात ऐसे होते हैं कि ताकि इनकी कांग्रेस की केंद्रीय लीडरशिप है वो इनको मनाने आ जाए या इनकी शर्तें मान ले। मुझे नहीं लगता ये पार्टी बना पाएंगे। 77 MLA के साथ है तो सरकार चला नहीं पाए।
Okay,
तो
but you know one thing is becoming clear that with the new chief minister in place, the anti-incumbency which was there against Captain per se has been diluted. It is also clear now that the BJP has managed to make a distinction between Captain era of the Congress party and in Punjab and the new era with Charanjit Singh Channi. Then in that case, Charan Singh Sapra, the question is, what will the Congress be doing if Captain Amrinder Singh continues to wash dirty linens in public?
See, that doesn't matter. If he wishes to wash his dirty linens in public, he's welcome. There's a democratic system. He's allowed to do that. But Congress party will definitely go in for the elections on the basis of, the work done by the entire cabinet, the work done by the earlier government under Captain Amrinder Singh also and current Chief Minister Charanjit Channi, and also the new party system, the new party network which the Congress High Command has made under Navjot Singh Sidhu. There are working presidents, there are new leaders, young leaders who have been given opportunity. So the entire young leadership is going to work. The government has been working since 4.5 years and under Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, he is performing very well since last 1 month. I feel there will be no hassle for Congress to win these elections.
Dr. Ahluwalia, the talking point in Punjab right now is also the fact that you have a Dalit Chief Minister at the helm of affairs. Can you not that import of that appointment is huge. Dalits of Punjab, who are roughly around 30-35%, they are feeling empowered, and they may be just forgetting about whatever captain may have failed on and ready to give another chance to Charanjit Singh Channi-led Congress in the state.
See, we appreciate this step, first of all, but what Charanjit Singh Channi is doing right now, he is going to all the people who have been dropped from the ministry. And yesterday he went to one of the ex-minister and he said he is a good part of our party. Now, Congress has a tradition. Congress simply follows. They say, bhed bakri wala kaam hai. First day, everybody was following captain. The next day, when Navjot Sidhu was announced, everybody came here. So when captain will form new party, we are sure that though 4.5 years captain has done nothing, but he has a mastermind, he will take 10 to 20 MLAs out of Congress. And they
so
will
if that happens, will he be really advantage for the BJP? What will he bring on the table? Zafar Islam, what will he bring on the table then?
BJP is losing everything. If they get 5 MLAs also.
Let me remind everyone. Let me remind everyone that, as I said earlier, he is the tallest leader. Compare him with Channi.
Tallest leader who's 79 years old.
We all know.
At a time when the BJP is pushing for young leadership in all the states.
4.5 years he has done nothing.
No, but he has appeal. He has mass appeal. People admire him in the state of Punjab. And just compare with him with the current Chief Minister, Mr. Channi. I mean, he may not be even 25%, or maybe chavanni bolte hain, or 1 rupaya ka chavanni. वैसे may not be 25% of what the standing Mr.
Can I come in, please?
Okay, yes, Mr. Sapra, quick response, and then I'll give the final words to the Kisan leader on the panel.
See, number one, if Aam Aadmi Party is thinking that some MLAs will go with Captain Amarinder Singh, I feel they are living like Alice in Wonderland. यानी मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने आप देख सकते हो. As far as the BJP spokesperson has now compared, Channi, Chavanni, he has tried to say, I strictly object in front of all your viewers that he is a Dalit leader, and Dalit leader is being abused by the BJP spokesperson. He's being mocked. The Dalit leader, the Dalit chief minister is being mocked by the BJP spokesperson by giving him names like Channi and Chavanni. I strictly object to it, and BJP has to apologize. BJP has to apologize the Dalit chief minister for whatever the BJP spokesperson has now said. He cannot give names to the chief minister.
Chief minister is a
constitutional post. You can't do this. You can't do this. You have to apologize. Maria, tell him to apologize. He has mocked Dalit leader. He has mocked all the Dalits of the country. Not only Dalits of Punjab, but he has mocked the Dalits of the country.
How much respect you have for
He has to apologize. Please apologize. Please apologize for your words against the Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. You have to apologize.
25% of a coin, which is Chavanni of 1 rupees, which is
no. You have to apologize for mocking Punjab Chief Minister.
You have to apologize to people
for
of this
mocking
great
a
country.
Dalit leader.
You have always
You have to apologize for mocking a Dalit Chief Minister.
Because you people have never respected Dalit. You have used only for the vote bank. It is Bharatiya Janata Party which
not
gives.
happy with it. You have to answer. You have to answer. Your alliance with BSP is also an alliance of opportunism. Alliance of opportunism is not going to work.
Okay, let me
Please
shift focus to the other two
for
panelists
mocking
now.
the Dalit Chief Minister
Charanjit
of
Singh
Congress
Brar.
Party.
Charanjit Singh
You
Brar,
have to apologize.
Here is Captain talking about an alliance with like-minded parties such as the breakaway Dinsa group. Captain has been part of Akali Dal. That was in 1980s. The question is, are you not worried that as the Congress has managed to cut anti-incumbency with a new change or a change of leadership, एक नई सरकार की वजह से शायद anti-incumbency इतना नहीं हो जितना कैप्टन के अगेंस्ट में था. अब वो उसके लिए जो वोट होगा, they'll be drifting towards a new group completely. If anything, these splinter groups of yours, the breakaway factions, will be eating into your own vote. And captain will not be, captain if anything will be damaging you more rather than the Aam Aadmi Party.
देखिए ऐसा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी से तो वोटर टूट ही रहा है और टूटेगा। और उससे ज्यादा फेडअप वोटर ये इनकी जो इंटरनल फाइटिंग है, जो ये ठोको ताड़ी प्रधान बनाया हुआ पंजाब का नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू, इन्होंने जितने भी पिछले दिनों में कारनामे दिखाए, कभी रिजाइन किया, कभी किसी के खिलाफ बोले, कभी कुछ हुआ, तो इनसे वर्कर इनका फेडअप जरूर है। एंटी इनकम्बेंसी कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह और कांग्रेस के खिलाफ दोनों के बराबर चल रही है, मगर जो आज कांग्रेस में पंजाब में हो रहा है तो उससे कैप्टन थोड़ा अलग दिखने लगे हैं। मगर मैं एक बात सोचूं कि 3 काले बिल्लों के कारण बीजेपी के पास कुछ नहीं है। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह 77 एमएलए के होते हुए सरकार नहीं चला पाए। हाउ कैन पॉसिबल टू रन ए पार्टी? इसलिए हमें कोई खतरा नहीं है। श्रोमणी अकाली दल
I want to understand
90 सीट्स के साथ
I want to understand
okay,
okay, we'll wait and see how things play out. Mr. Nagar, मुझे समझ, अब मुझे आखिरी वर्ड्स मैं आपको दूंगी, ये समझाइए, अगर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह बोल रहे हैं कि फार्म लॉस का सोल्यूशन होगा तभी वो बीजेपी के साथ अलायंस में जाएंगे, तो फार्म लॉस का सोल्यूशन क्या है?
तीनों बिलों की वापसी और एमएसपी के लिए एक सही कानून बना दिया जाए। यही तीनों जो वर्तमान में किसान आंदोलन है उसका एकमात्र समाधान हो सकता है।
लेकिन नागर साहब, अगर सरकार बोल रही है कि एमएसपी पर उन्होंने जिस तरह से बार बार बढ़ोतरी दिखाई है, तो अपना कमिटमेंट तो अपने काम की वजह से दिखा रहे हैं।
देखिए मैडम, आज समय ये आ गया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता हैं, ये कहेंगे कि धान 2400 रुपए एमएसपी पे खरीदा जा रहा है, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि 1000 से 1200 रुपए प्रति क्विंटल किसान आज प्राइवेट लोगों को धान बेचने के लिए मजबूर है।
ऑल राइट,
सच्चाई कुछ और है
okay,
और कहने के तथ्य कुछ और।
ऑल राइट, Dushyant Nagar, Charanjit Singh Brar, I've really come to the end of this discussion. Charan Singh Sapra, thank you so much. Zafar and Dr. Sunny Ahluwalia, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, Captain has revealed his cards, but the question is, what will be the solution of the ongoing farmer impasse, I should say, over the farm laws? That is one story we'll continue to track very closely, because the Battle of Punjab has taken a new twist with this announcement. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow.